Hello everybody, welcome back to another JQ on the go video. So as you can see, the Audi is outside there, and I'm going to be removing the chrome trim from around the steering wheel and replacing it with a new one. So if you're interested in seeing that, you have found the right video. So just to give you a little representation, this is what the chrome trim looks like right now. There's a bit of fading right there from where the chrome has just worn out. So from Amazon, I picked up this piece right here. I'm going to clean it all off. As you can see, there's a couple of fingerprints, a couple little marks, but for the price and the quality, it seems to be very good. Just use in the box here some 3M adhesive. Everybody online is saying that you can put it right over like this, but then you kind of got it as a little bit of a bump. So I'm going to try to use a heat gun, see if I could pull this off, and then I'm going to put this guy on. So now I'm just going to kind of go around here, making sure not to touch the heat gun on the steering wheel, just to heat this guy up for a little bit. So I'm going to probably do this for a couple of minutes, then start using the pry tools and see how we're doing. So I did end up taping the steering wheel up with some painter's tape, just so after when I heat it and I'm using my pry tools here, I'm not damaging the airbag at all or leaving little marks in the leather. So let's see what is, we're gonna probably use. So now I got the light on my phone. So even with the painter's tape, as you can see, I did end up eating up the inside of the steering wheel because this leather in these German cars is very fragile. So I'll be getting a piece here, and I'm just going to use 3M adhesive and put the new piece on top of this old piece. Hello everybody, so now this part of the video is the end, and as you can see, it's a different day. I'm wearing a different shirt, but we are fixing my mistake with the steering wheel. As you kind of saw from some of those ending clips, I sadly destroyed the plastic while trying to put this metal piece on. This metal piece actually came out pretty well. It's not perfect, and as you can see, there are a bit of scratches which have just pretty much been within the month of having it on the car and just how it kind of came already, but it is better than it was. And now we're going to try to fix this little area with this little carbon fiber patch. So I'll make sure to link this down below. I got this on Amazon. There are some mixed reviews on this. Some people are saying that it only lasts a couple of months. Some people are saying that it lasts them pretty much the whole entire time since they've put it on. So I'm going to see how it goes. And for the time being, I'm going to put it over this. Later on, I do plan on probably getting a new airbag and maybe even a new steering wheel. I've been kind of looking into that, but as of right now, I don't really like seeing all these nicks, and why not throw a little bit of carbon fiber, in a sense, into the interior? Well, this is not going as planned, so kind of one of the big things here is you can see the steering wheel airbag cover is kind of curved, and this piece here was 100% flat. So as I was pushing it on to actually see if it would fit around the horn, the airbag there, it looks very, very nice, and the weave is nice in the carbon, but while I was actually pushing it, I cracked the carbon. So guessing that this piece isn't going to be the one to go on the steering wheel, and we're going to have to live with this for a little bit longer. And now this video probably got longer, but I'm going to hit up the company on Amazon, see what I could do, and hopefully I'll get a replacement piece. So after about a week of waiting for another one, you can see I have it on. Seems the fitment is okay. Right here it's lifting a little bit, so I'm going to hold it down for about another minute, but the rest of the Emblem is decent. It's on there pretty well, and from this angle it looks nice, so that's what I'm going to be seeing. But again, I'm going to hold it down, and as you can see, the car's off, so I'm not beeping. That's good. Gonna hold this down for a little bit and then probably put some of the blue painter's tape just to hold it on, and just gonna leave that on for probably the next couple of hours just to kind of hold this in. So now I got it all taped up. I got this down, probably gonna come in again. This was after holding it for about a minute. This side is still lifting, but the rest of the emblem has gone down nicely. Gonna leave the painter's tape on for a little bit just to kind of give it some more pressure to kind of hold down that emblem. And as well, in the kit, you do get these other little pieces for inside the Audi logo. I think I'm gonna leave it without it. I don't think it needs these little pieces, but I'll keep them in my glove box, and if I decide later on, maybe I'll do that. Now I'm gonna get back to actually cleaning the rest of my car because that's why my hands are a little bit dirty. We're doing a little bit of winter cleaning on the car. I was gonna say spring cleaning, but it's not spring, it is January. So hopefully everybody had a good New Year's. And now back to the end of this video. So hopefully this video was informative and it showed you what not to do so you don't destroy your airbag like I did. But I guess if I didn't destroy my airbag with the screwdriver trying to take off the old chrome, I wouldn't have that nice little carbon fiber piece. So I'll let you guys know how everything is in a little bit, couple of weeks. I'll put down in the description down below, or I'll probably put a comment letting you know how everything is holding up. The chrome piece now I've had on for a couple of weeks because this video has been made probably I'd say over the past month, maybe 2 months at this point. And I'll let you know how the carbon fiber piece is doing. But as always, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, consider subscribing and hitting that little bell icon, liking this video, and commenting what you want to see next. So as always, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!